know there is a promising career
Paangat
ahead
na
of
yun.
you.
Dami nang papasok dapat na endorsement.
And I really believed in you. I really believed that ganda-ganda ako sa'yo eh. Yung I like your, parang feeling ko, ang laki ng future nitong
Kasi nga,
batang
nagmana
ito.
nga daw ako sa'yo.
Oh, wow. Okay, I'll take it.
Diba? I was in love, yes.
You were?
I was.
And you thought it was the right time to get married? Or was it
the marriage ba?
Huh?
Oh my God, should I be honest? Hirap magsinungaling. Wait lang, may issue na naman kami.
Ay, patay! No, wait! Hello everyone! Welcome once again to BB Talk. This is BB Gandanghari welcoming you to my newly revitalized, revamped YouTube channel, and I promise you insightful conversations, very good intention, honest conversation, as pure as a baby. I will be BB talking to one of my dearest nieces na nakita ko lumaki, nakita ko ito yung mga batang parang three angels na mapuputi sa bahay ko nung araw. Na tumatambling-tambling. Di ba masyadong mga active ng mga batang ko noon. And so, it is with great excitement to have you as my guest. Marami kasi nagre-request sa'yo. So, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome my dear niece, ang aking pamangkin. Proudly, tita ito, Kylie Padilla.
Hello, everybody. I know madami kayong nag-aabang. Thank you so much for having me here.
Of course.
I am a huge silent admirer of my tita. So, kinilig ako nung in-invite niya kanina. Yes.
Kasi kami, hindi kami masyadong open as far as yung how we feel.
Yes.
Diba? Hindi tayo pero we know for a fact na pag nakikita-kita tayo, tita, ganyan naman sila sa akin lagi. Pero ang sarap marinig yung...
I'm a silent admirer of the whole journey of being who you really are. I love it.
And in fact, yun yung isa sa mga pag-uusapan natin today. Hindi nyo na po matatanong sila Kylie, siyempre si Queenie and si Jed, si Ali, batang-bata pa
Super
no?
baby pa.
Nasa bahay ko sila nung...
Yeah, we lived in your house.
Correct. Nung bagong labas si Robin sa Bilibid, sa prison, nando kayo lahat sa bahay. At ang puputi, tatlong mapuputing bata ito, na puro babae.
Thank you, Mom.
Correct. Na puro babae na ang kukulit. Ang kukulit, pero yung very sweet. Naalala nyo yung meron kayong nasira na lamp.
Oh my God! I just remembered it now! Takot na takot kami!
Ganun. Takot na takot sila. At mulat, alam ko na lang yung nagsulat kayo sa akin.
Yes,
wrote a letter, mga sulat ng bata, and saying sorry for what happened. So I remember you as kids. But do you remember me in my past life? How do you recall?
As Tito Rosto?
Correct.
Very
little?
Very little.
Why is that so?
Hindi ko alam eh. I don't know.
Samantalang, pag nilalabas kayo ng papa mo, lagi ako kasama.
I just have no...
Talaga?
It's gone talaga.
Wow.
But I do remember us talking about you. When we were at your house, kamusta ka na, gano'n. Okay. Everyone was always talking about you. That's my memory.
About what?
No, like where you are, kamusta ka na, she's doing this, gano'n, yung mga gano'n.
Because pumunta na ako sa States. Tapos nandun kayo sa bahay.
Parang nami-miss ka na ng lahat. And we're always at your house.
Correct.
This is Tito Rostom's favorite room, yung cinema, yung dinesign mo nga daw, gano'n. Yun yung naaalala ko. We're always talking about you.
I see. So, pero yung Tito Rostom na as a person, wala ka masyadong...
You're so sad. I know. Wala, hindi ko alam. I have one, Joaquin Bordado, you directed me.
Correct.
Yes, that one. That one is clear as day. That one.
And ako naman, ang naaalala ko sa'yo at ang gusto kong itanong, I think I've asked you this already in one of our conversations. Anong feeling nyo bilang mga bagets nung araw? Mga bata kayo, and then lalabas tayo. And of course, ang papa mo, is a magnet pagdating sa tao, di ba?
Oh, yeah.
And I see you. Yung syempre, magkakasama kayo, hawak kayo ng papa mo, and then biglang darating mga tao, tatabi kasi magpapa-picture taking. How do you feel about it? Did it have even an effect on you? Or did you have an idea na, oh wow, what's going on? Daddy is, you know what I mean?
I think parang inisip ko normal lang siya. I didn't think it was because of my dad. I think normal lang siya.
Na tao, okay. Malapit,
parang hindi ko pa siya masyadong process nun.
Oo. So,
na
feeling mo sa lahat ng tao, normal na magpa-picture sa kanya.
I just knew like, parang, okay, my dad is, hindi naman bago sa akin yun. Siyempre, tatay ko yun.
Of course.
Siyempre, in my own eyes, talagang special siya.
Pero
so, parang
normal,
normal na everyone else sees him as special.
Yeah, and plus kasi, nung pinanganak kayo, that was si superstar doon.
Yes.
So talagang, ako nakikita ko from an outsider's point of view, parang it always comes to my head. Yung parang, what could be the effect on these children?
Yes.
Kasi you don't have your, parang, kasi ang papa mo mahilig kayong ilabas di ba? Ipasyal. Dadaling kayo kung saan-saan. I remember, naalala mo, nagpunta tayo sa Splash something.
Yes. I remember.
Naalala mo yun? Oo. Na parang Miss Tula tayong rebulto doon na pa-picture ng papicture. Doon ko una na-umpisa yun na parang hindi kayo na-bother yung mga bata.
I think hindi ko na naisip. Naisip ko na lang maglaro, mag-swimming.
Laro ng laro. Kasi you were very active as kids,
I am the most active.
Ikaw naman. Ikaw ba, masasabi mo ikaw ang nagmana sa papa mo? Kasi ang papa mo ng bata, sobrang kulit yan. Naiipit ang ulo niya. Maglalaro yan. One moment, mapapanik na lang lahat kasi hindi niya mailabas ang ulo niya dun sa rehas. Hindi mo alam kung paano niya naipasok. Pero...
Sorry, naalala ko yung mga anak ko. No, pero alam ko kasi si Papa. For a time, I don't know anymore, pero for a time, naging ako talaga yung favorite niya because yun yung way ko to please him, na ipakita na sporty ako, kung ano gagawin niya.
Gagawin mo din.
Gagawin ko din. Papakita ko na kaya ko. Ako pinakamagaling. Para lang mapansin ako. Kasi middle child ako so KSP ako. Kulang ako sa pansin.
Correct. Of course. Alam ko lahat yan. Kasi ako middle child din.
Diba? So may ganun talaga ako. And yun yung way ko to be sporty and active. Kasi alam ko natutuwa siya.
And then you went to Thailand.
Yes, to train Muay Thai.
You trained
Actually,
Muay Thai?
that's so funny. Kasi ang tinatrain niya talaga nun, si Ate Queenie.
Okay.
Tapos sinama lang ako kasi para may kasama siya.
Pero ikaw ang, dahil sa kagustuhan.
Nag-excel din naman ako. Kasi naman ang hilig namin sa action na pelikula.
Correct, yeah.
Mga strong na babae.
Yeah.
So talagang gusto kong maging ganon.
And then you did gymnastics too.
Yes. I did wushu, gymnastics, arnis, karate, basics, Muay Thai.
Kasi naalala kita, remember, nasa Batangas tayo, isang family outing yon yung tayo lahat. And then, nando ka lang sa may shore, habang nagkukwentuhan kami dito, nando ka sa shore, cartwheel ka ng cartwheel. Cartwheel ka lang ng cartwheel. Yeah. And I was very impressed. Kasi parang, syempre, di ba?
Hindi nahihilo.
Hindi nahihilo. At saka parang, dahil nakita ko pa yun sa pagkabata, yung parang, wow! Impressed ako sa mga batang... Kasi yan ang frustration ko, hindi ako makapag-cartwheel.
Really? No way!
Oo. As much as I'm very active, hindi ko natutunan pag may problema ako sa balance ko ng araw. Next time na pag-uwi, correct. Pagbalik ko, pagpapaturo ako sa'yo ng cartwheel, you still do it?
Yeah, I can still do naman cartwheel. Pero syempre ngayon may stretching na muna. Baka mamaya may might pull something.
And then napanood ko pa kita sa parang nag-cheerleader
I did, yeah.
You did really well. Parang hinahagis-hagis ka
I won twice.
You won twice?
Sa ano to? Sa Itbulaga.
You were very good. Nakita ko yun.
Nakita
ko yun.
Nakatakot yun, ha? Scary. I was scared. Pero ang saya din.
Ang galing. So, ang background mo talaga is into very active sports and action. So, sa career mo, akala ko talaga doon magiging action star ka. What happened?
Na-in love.
Oh my God, yun ba yun? Yun ba ang nangyari?
Actually, kasi nga, di ba, si Amihan was my last role na action.
Action yun.
Yeah, warrior siya. Yan, nabuntis ako. So,
feeling mo kung hindi ka nag-asawa, action star ka ngayon?
Actually, that's my goal this year. Kaya nagpapalakas ako. This year, I'm going back to the gym.
Yes,
Kasi
yes.
gusto kong ibalik.
And it's never too late.
Yeah.
Oo,
Yeah, I'm still young. Pero
Yeah,
syempre,
yeah.
kailangan natin ibalik yung
Of
stamina
course,
before.
of course. So that's your career plan now.
One of my,
Career plans. Do action
Do
roles.
action ulit.
Yeah, I
Kasi,
think.
mga Padilla tayo, I mean, it's in our blood to be...
Yeah. And I would
in some way,
encourage
na matapang
you.
talaga.
And I would encourage you to do that kasi that's your personality.
Ayun
Di
na
ba?
nga,
May
it
training
comes
ka
very
for
natural.
that. So, I'm rooting for you. Make sure you do that, ah.
Oo, I
keep
promise.
focus. Keep focus and...
Alam ko may nakaabang na Tita Bibi. I will do it.
Oo, kasi syempre, I feel like you have so much potential na ayoko namang sabihin na
Nasayang, ganun.
nasayang because of your early marriage.
Yes.
But it is what it is. So you just have to keep on doing what you need to do and get there no matter what.
And siguro there's a new reason to do it then. Kasi,
Aha.
lalo na mga lalaki ng mga anak ko, makikita nila yung nanay nila.
Yeah. And I don't.
Na-inspire din sila.
Plus the fact, I don't think a lot of actresses do that. So maybe
That's
that'll be
true.
your niche, di ba? And it's all about finding your niche and where you can excel. So take
Saan ka
advantage of
naiiba,
that.
yes.
Oo. So wala ka masyadong recollection kay Tito Rostom mo, no? Yung parang, so ano naging feeling mo nung when I finally transitioned? We never talked about this. So I'm
My
very,
feeling?
I'm very curious how you felt yung parang, Tito Rostom, Tita Bibi na? Parang
You
gano'n.
know, I forget if I was here in the Philippines or if I was in Australia. Basta
How old were you then?
I think I was,
That was 2009.
17.
17.
You know, my first honest, real reaction. Oh my God, I'm so proud.
How come?
Kasi, ewan ko, kasi may ganun din ako na ang hirap magpakatotoo. Parang
Yeah.
ang dami kong, ang hirap hanapin yung sarili mo. I don't know how to voice out who I am. Especially at 17, you're only discovering who you are.
Of course, at nandyan yung panahon ng confusion.
And then someone in my family who's going through something like this and was brave enough to be who they truly are and say it to the public.
Right.
It was very inspiring for me. Hindi ko nga alam bakit eh. I just don't know, ganun.
Yeah.
I'm happy for her.
Kasi,
At least ngayon, she can be herself now. Like,
right.
F everybody else. Yun
And-
yung gusto kong attitude.
Right. And alam mo, yan naman ang naka-surprise sa akin. Even noon nung ini-interview ako, na ano nangyari sa... Kasi, totoo to ha, after I've come out and then I've said my piece, ang real concern ko doon was the pamangkins.
Really?
Yeah, because I don't want them to be I don't want you guys to be confused. I don't expect you to understand. Pero meron akong fear na, oh my God, baka ma-confuse. Kayo yung bata eh, di ba? Yun yung, lahat ng pamangkin yan. But to my great surprise, automatic lahat ng mga nephews and nieces, Tita Bibi
They're
ka agad.
accepting.
Walang gatol. Walang gatol, no questions asked, wala akong naramdaman na parang pushback, but everyone's just like embracing Tita Bibi.
I think desire namin na makita kayo na maging masaya.
Why did you ever see Rostom, Tito Rostom,
No naman, but
miserable?
no, I don't think, well, siguro when you were directing me in Joaquin Bordado, we had medyo hindi tayo nag-agree somewhat.
Oo.
Oo,
Hindi naman
meron
sa hindi
tayong-
somewhat,
I
pero
don't
parang...
remember eh. I don't remember. Natakot ako.
Oo, natakot ka. Kasi I was
Kasi nagalit din
asking...
tatay ko.
Nagalit?
Oo, kasi nga, I wasn't listening daw to you.
Oo.
I was like, oh no, I'm confused. Na ganon.
Hindi, pero sa akin naman nun, parang... Kasi katatapos ko lang ng directing nun, di ba?
Ayun.
So meron akong hinahanap sa'yo na...
Hindi ko mabigay or
Oo,
something.
pero dahil bata ka naman,
Oo,
of
yeah.
course. Pero...
And first show ko yun, so talagang kinabahan
Yeah.
ako nun.
Oo. Pero ako naman, hindi ako na ano sa'yo, pero na-feel ko yung, naku, natakot yata sa akin si Kylie. Parang gano'n. Nakita ko yung, nag-ano ka, yung parang, went back to your shell.
Yes.
Oo, I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. Pero nung time na yun, naramdaman ko na, now you were going through something.
Oo, that was
Very obvious
Ay,
siya na
nako. Yan
you were
yung-
searching,
that was
you're
my
here but you're not really here. Parang
that was my
ganon.
darkest moment.
Oh, there you go. See, naramdaman ko.
That was
So
my
when I saw
darkest
you
moment.
again, I'm like, oh my gosh, that's it.
Oo.
And she's claiming it now.
Yeah.
I'm so happy for her.
Yeah.
That's why I felt that. Like,
I
yun yung,
see.
sagot.
I see. Hindi ko makalimutan yan eh. Kasi naramdaman ko, naku, natakot yata sa akin.
Takot ako. Sa inyong dalawa.
Ni Robin, pati ni Robin, parang 1 and 2 punch eh, no?
Oo eh. Siyempre. Naalala ko pa si Papa nun, sabi niya, makinig ka dyan kasi kakatapos ng, he's a director. Oh, sige.
Eh kasi naman yung pinapagawa ko rin sa'yo, parang dapat yun yata merong 1 year na training sa archery. Dahil, di ba parang hinahanap ko Legolas
Yes,
eh.
yes,
Oo.
yes. So,
Pero syempre, bata ka yung parang... Tapos may hinihintay pa tayo yung mga mga sasakyan, yung mga ilaw na sakyan.
nasa bridge yun, di ba? Tama ba?
Nasa overpass. Tapos gusto ko yung mga ilaw na sasakyan, umaano habang umaano ka. But I think it came out really good. Pero nakita ko dun yung potential.
Ayan.
Parang I feel like, ang batang ito pang action.
Oh, thank you.
So kung may frustration ka now,
Now,
oo, kung may frustration ka about
in my work? Or
Yeah.
just in general?
sa work.
Sa work,
Oo.
hirap ako magpapayat.
Yan ang frustration mo.
Kasi parang mababaw siya, no? Pero as a woman in my 30s, it's so hard. Hindi na kaya yung gutom ako the whole day.
Hindi pwede. Hindi pwede.
So, it's very slow.
I think you need to do some activity.
Oo.
Yeah.
Although I'm active now. But I was diagnosed with hypothyroidism.
Gotcha.
Ano daw, nakakabagal daw ng...
Pero ako kasi alam mo, ang experience ko about losing muscle mass or even yung weight, ang metabolism natin only starts to really parang... No. Yung maging mas mabilis siya. Kailangan, it's gonna be after 30 minutes of continuous
Workout.
workout, correct?
Okay.
Kunyari, if you're running, it's only after 30 minutes. That's when you start losing and burning the fats. So if you do like running for 30 minutes, it doesn't really make any difference. If it does, very minimal. So what I do then was I would run for an hour and a half.
They would tell me that.
An hour
Minsan
and
nga
a
daw
half.
4 hours ka tumatap. Totoo ba yun?
Oo, para ako si
That's what they would
Forrest
tell me.
Gump. Oo.
They would show me your... Sa house mo to, they would show me your workout equipment and then iyayabang ka nila. Alam mo ba?
Yeah.
Tito Roston.
Yeah.
Ano yun? 4 na oras yun.
Sa gym yun, sa gym.
Oo.
Pero when I started running, I never went back to the gym. Run lang ako ng run and then I was doing yoga. Pero ang talagang nakita kong difference was when you start running, it's the after 30, 45
Oh my
minutes
God, now
of
I
workout.
know. Because I usually do just 30.
So
Kaya
maybe,
pala.
yeah. Try it.
Sige, I'll try it.
Ang daming nangyaring changes sa'yo, no? Yung parang from a very promising career, nagkaroon ka ng unexpected pregnancy. How did you handle that?
I was scared.
Of course, kung,
First initial
kung tatay ko si Robin Padilla, matatakot
Actually,
ako,
hindi
no?
siya.
Ay, hindi ka sa kanya
Natakot ako
takot.
kasi may show ako na napakaganda and ang hirap din nung journey kasi when that show started, yung Encantadia, I was the most disliked sangre. So, ginamit ko yun as fuel. And okay. I mean, then I became one of the most favorite. Then nagbuntis ako. So parang sabi ko, sayang naman.
That is a
Pinaghirapan
frustration.
ko. It is a frustration.
That is a frustration. And why is that so? Were you in love? Were you just young? But what was it all about? Parang titang nagtatawa.
Parang matagal na gusto tanongin ni Tita Vivian sa akin.
Oo, kasi nung nabalitaan ko yun, medyo na ano.
Na-disappoint kaya.
Hindi ako na-disappoint. Of course, nandun yun.
Gulat.
Oo, nagulat. Of course,
Everyone naman.
I think there is a disappointment there because we know there is a promising career
Paangat
ahead
na
of
yun.
you.
Dami nang papasok dapat na endorsement.
And I really believed in you. I really believed ganda-ganda ako sa'yo eh. Yung I like your... Parang feeling ko, ang laki ng future nitong
Kasi nga,
batang
nagmana
ito.
nga daw ako sa'yo.
Oh, wow. Okay, I'll take it.
Diba? I was in love, yes.
You were.
I was...
And you thought it was the right time to get married? Or was it
Was it
even...
marriage ba?
Ha?
Oh my God, should I be honest? Hirap magsinungaling. Whew,
Well,
wait
this
lang,
is
may
BB
issue
Talk.
na naman kami.
Ay, patay! No, wait!
may magalit. Okay, let me just paraphrase na lang.
Okay.
I wasn't ready to get married. So I didn't really believe in marriage. But to make everyone else happy, we got married.
Got
Yun na
it.
lang. Wow.
Oh, okay, okay. Para alam ko, para nakwento mo na
Yeah.
sa akin. Ano?
Yes.
Oh, sige, sige.
Ganun na lang.
So yung okay ka, kung walang ganong klaseng pressure,
Yeah.
okay ka just to be pregnant and
To live with my baby daddy, ganun. Okay naman ako to try and make the relationship work.
Gotcha.
Alam ko naman kasi, very deep yung understanding ko na ibang commitment na talaga yung marriage. Is that you really have to go through everything
a lot.
together.
Yeah.
Even
It's
the worst.
It's already
Sickness and in health, di ba?
Oo.
When I was in the marriage, I didn't feel that part.
You didn't.
I didn't.
At which part of the marriage naramdaman mo, oh no, I think this is not what I want.
Pandemic na.
And how long were you married?
I
At
was
that time?
married 3 years lang. But we were together for 11, so
Tagal yung mag-boyfriend, girlfriend. 11, and then 3 years married.
ay kasama na yata yung 2 years dun sa 11. 8 years together, and then
Gotcha. So, pandemic came, di syempre nagkaroon kayo ng chance na to be...
yun sabi nila, di ba, when pandemic comes, talagang nagharap kayo sa isa't isa kasi
Oo.
wala nang
Yun na yung test.
break.
Can you
Yun
live
na
with
nga,
this
na-test
person?
nga kami and we failed.
Then you realize, oh my. Parang
What a
ganun
big
ba?
mistake! I'm kidding. Hindi naman.
But,
Kasi may
but
dalawang
it-
anghel
it-
naman na...
Correct. But it can be a mistake. Pwede naman nating i-accept yun as a lesson learned.
And I've also
But
forgiven myself.
there is no offense meant.
Yes,
You know what
no
I mean?
offense meant.
Oo.
Nakapag-move on na rin naman na siya.
Correct. And we all make mistakes.
Yes.
And tama ka doon, yung sa sinabi mo na forgive mo
I
na yun.
forgive myself.
Kailan?
I think it starts with you talaga.
It starts with you.
Even if you say, I forgive
No,
this
no, no.
person, kapag galit ka pa sa sarili mo, then
You have to
Magagalit
forgive
ka,
yourself. Kasi doon ka lang makakamove on.
that's true.
Oo. Kasi
When? When did that happen?
When?
When I went to Taiwan? Lately lang.
Lately mo lang na-forgive ang sarili mo.
Oo.
Oh, I am so happy for you. Pero totoo.
Yeah, pero kasama ka doon. We talked for what? 4 hours?
Yeah.
Ikaw yung isa sa mga binuhusan ako ng malamig na tubig. No? Oh my God. Oo nga, no?
Oo, wow.
Very, lang.
So this is really a parang turning point for you. Would you say?
Yes.
Got it. Talagang turning point to make things better.
Oo.
Nung hiwalay ka na, do you confide to your dad?
Nung hiwalay na kami.
Oo. Yung,
Oh, yeah. Sa kanya ako tumakbo. Yeah.
Nung hiwalay na.
Yes. Sa kanya ako unang nagsumbong, actually. Actually, hindi pala. Oh my God, nakakatawa yung kwento. Actually, meron kaming pinagdadaanan. So, pumunta ako dito sa Fairview. Nandito si Papa, nag-open up ako na parang nagkakaproblema kami, ganyan. Ano bang unang sinabi niya?
Ano?
Bakit? May babae ba? First visit yon. Sabi ko, hindi naman po nagkakalabuan lang, ganito, ganyan. Pagbalik ko, nalaman ko na. Sabi ko, pa, tama ka pala. Meron pala siyang mga... Sabi ni Papa, oo, nakita ko kasi yung energy niya. Oh my God! Alam, magandang tatay ko! Bakit ganon?
Siyempre, yung para ang
Kasi...
mga lalaki. No comment. No comment.
Noon yun, noon.
Noon yun, ha?
Noon. Hindi
Ang
naman. Bait na si
oo.
Papa ngayon.
Oo, kaya alam niya.
Oo.
Alam niya, pero sabi ko nga sa Papa mo,
Oh my God.
yung mga past girlfriends mo, laki siguro ng pagsisisi. No? Sabi ko sa kanya, sabi niya, bakit? Hindi nila alam, magiging ganyan kakabait eh.
Meron akong tanong sa'yo.
Ano?
Meron kang, ano ba yung show niya? 3 and a
Step
half.
daddies.
Ayun. May eksena doon. I wanna ask if it's ad-lib kasi sobrang tuwang-tuwa ako. Nirepost ko nga sa TikTok ko.
Ano yun?
Yung sinabi mo, ba't parang ninenervyos ka after mo silang panervyosin? Ad-lib ba yun?
Adlib yun.
Tawa ako doon. Ano ko pinaka-natawa? Sa line mo. Anyway, hanapin niyo yun. Nasa TikTok siya. Nirepost ko sa TikTok ko, so ipakita niyo na lang. Para
Okay. I mean, alam naman lang, open book naman
Oo.
ang Papa mo.
Before nga yun, before.
Before yun. Ngayon naman, sobrang
Oo. Sobrang
good
bait
boy.
ni Papa.
Oo, yun nga yung sabi ko sa kanya, sabi ko, sisi siguro yung ibang girlfriends mo.
Oo nga.
Kasi
Wrong timing, char.
akala nila, hindi nila alam, magiging ganyan
Uy,
kakabait.
mabait ka pa,
No?
no? Oo.
So, Well, naghahanap ka ba ng parang papa mo?
No, yung yung pagiging provider, yeah.
Yeah. Oo, yan ang sabihin ko sa'yo. Diba? Kung maghahanap ka.
Yabang ko lang kasi feeling ko didn't matter kasi nga I'm very privileged, diba? I grew up very provided for.
Your dad is a very good provider.
So that part, I didn't really think about it when I was falling in love. But now, na gising na ako sa katotohanan, may mga anak na ako, I'm a single mom, nakakapagod siya. Like, I don't wanna be tired forever.
Of course.
So,
and that's what marriage for.
ayun na nga.
Diba? You need a helper. You need someone, if not a provider, at least a helper. Pero provider dapat.
And that's very hard for me to admit to myself kasi kaya ko, di ba, malakas pa ako, I can provide. Pero pag pag gabi na, tapos tuloy-tuloy yung work, tapos namimiss ko yung mga bata, like ngayon, I have work tomorrow. Ngayon ako naiyak. Siyempre naiisip ko yung sayang naman yung time. Siyempre, I'm very grateful for work.
Yeah.
Pero nasasayangan din ako sa time na hindi ko sila nakakasama.
Of course. Di ba sila sinasama sa shooting?
May mga times naman po na I bring them, but sobrang sakit nung nagsasalita na yung bata. Tuloy-tuloy na naman yung work mo, mama. Ano ba yan?
Oo, masakit yun.
Masakit siya.
Masakit
kasi
yun,
hindi ko pa ma-explain na para sa future nyo rin.
Yeah.
Siyempre may na rin na parang question ko na yung sarili ko.
Pero ang lakas mo din, no? Kasi ako
Hindi
hindi ko kaya.
Hindi ko rin alam.
Hindi ko kaya maiwan. Di ba dog ko nga nun, kasama ko
Ayun na nga
everywhere?
Masakit siya.
Masakit.
Yes.
I just imagine. And plus the fact, kung bata ang bilis lumaki.
Oo.
Di ba? So, ayoko na paiyakin, pero I feel you.
It's really, it's the struggle that I have. Oh, sige. Struggle in showbiz, there you go. That's an actual real one. The time that I spend at work is time away from my kids.
Correct.
That's a real struggle.
So, parang, di ba, as much as you value your work, pero alam mong meron kang namimiss.
Yes.
No?
Kaya naiisip ko na rin yung I have to find a provider that can give me that.
Correct.
Yung magsasabi na, sige, magpahinga ka naman.
Yung pwede, at least pwede ka magpahinga.
Pag narinig ko na, oh my God, papakasalan na kita. Yung ganon. Kasi parang,
Ako rin
parang masaya magpahinga.
Diba? Ako nga, pag-usapan ko sa isang interview, sabi ko, ang pangarap ko sa buhay, maging housewife.
Ayun
Pagod na ako sa buhay ko.
Hindi siya masama.
Hindi siya masama, no? Excuse me.
Kaya magluto.
Correct. Pangarap ko yung ipagluluto ko siya, ipaghahanda ko siya, aayusin ko ang panligo niya, everything else. That's be very fine with me. Basta provide for me. Kasi pagod na ako.
That's true.
So I totally understand.
Now I understand it.
Yeah. I keep praying for it. Diba? Keep praying for it. God is, God is good and He knows what you...
Guys, she's single and ready to mingle.
And so is she. Okay, bago tayo mingle, ang tanong ko is, how's your relationship with Alger now?
Very professional din. Pero there's no other word.
Civil.
Civil, yeah. Pagdating lang sa mga bata ko, no more personal.
Wala. So, hindi
Except for the last time